XRP, before we start, I need to highlight that please, before watch my video, for each video, for example, here in the description part, I put the disclaimer and please read it because I want to highlight that I'm not giving any financial advice. What I do on this channel, I just share my idea and the way I look at the chart. And the purpose for this channel is educational. Okay, I'm just sharing the way I look at the chart, and that's all, nothing else. Okay, and again, this is not the financial advice, just the way I look at the chart. And in this case, please read it before uh, anyone follow my uh, channel. Okay, anyway, we start with the monthly chart. I don't see, for me, for XRP, there is no much changes. Okay. And as I mentioned, for the next year, 24, I'm more interested to look for XRP because if it start to move, it can move really fast and really sharp because it's still the price for me is cheap. Okay, because we don't see the really sharp moving compared to the other charts, and the way it's moving is corrective. Okay, and for me, I'm expecting for continuation, but at the same point, whenever I see this kind of the reversal as a corrective, we just I can expect for the next drop. That's why for me, if I want to look for buy within this correction about the possibility for the next drop, I consider about that option as well. But as I mentioned, whenever I see, since for me, I see the overall market is moving, the possibility for the next drop it will be very less, but still I consider if I want to look for any trade. But to make it very simple, the way it's reversing is very corrective, which I don't like it. Okay. And if I move to weekly chart, as I mentioned, I don't see much changes or because it's still we are within this correction. But as I mentioned, any opportunity for buy from here, I'm looking to see the breakout of the 94 cent. The breakout of the 94 cent is really important for me if I want to look for buy. Okay, that's why as long as the price haven't break the 94 cent, then still I cannot conform with the bull run. Okay, if I move to daily chart, as I mentioned, still we are within this correction, and I can expect the price tag even the next drop. That's why I mentioned if the price could retest the lowest price of this one, then any reversal from there will be the best for me. But any opportunity for buy from here for me as a short term, I'm looking for 82. If there is a breakout of the 82, then I'm looking for 94 cent. But the breakout of the 94 cent is really important for me. Whatever I explain here is just very short. And if anyone wants to know why I'm discussing about all these targets or the correction, then they need to refer to my old videos because every times I give a reason and it should be like continuously. I cannot explain everything in the new video because it will make it too long. Okay, then just I try to make it very simple what I'm looking for in following by what I explained before. Anyway, for me at this point, I don't see any opportunity. That's mean any trade setup. I'm not, that's mean if at this point, I'm not looking for any trade. Even if I move to forward chart with the breakout of this one, we can look for the divergence. We don't need to really care about that. That's mean for XRP at this point, even if they start to continue, I'm not really interested to look for trade. Okay, unless if I want to look for trade, unless I look for the flag and it will be a short-term trade, that's mean I can expect to trade within the correction. Okay, but for me the best if the price retest this low, this is the best option. It can give me a better confirmation, but it doesn't mean I have to wait for that possibility. If there is a breakout, as I mean the continuation of breakout as a sharp move, then I will see if I see the opportunity for buy, I will take it. Then I will look to see the breakout of any previous stop. to make it very simple at this point and the way is moving for me, I'm not really interested to look for trade. I'm looking for XRP, but I'm looking for the proper trade setup which can give me the confirmation for continuation. Okay. Anyway, as I mentioned, there is no much changes and I don't see any opportunity for myself and I prefer to wait. Anyway, if I see any update or any changes, then I will share my view. Thanks.